Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Airplane mode saves battery on your iPhone 13 by turning off cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Without these networks constantly searching for signals or sending data, your phone uses less power. This is especially helpful in areas with poor reception, where your iPhone normally works harder to stay connected. Simply put, less wireless activity means longer battery life.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.